Okay guys, so no fancy introduction or anything to this video. I just want to get straight into the point, and the big news is that Amazon merch is at least temporarily dead and finished and buried. So you can see on this Reddit forum here, I don't have a merch account myself, so I can't actually see this notification. I don't get an email, or I can't actually see this from Amazon themselves, but I believe this to be true. So I had one of my friends shoot me a message on Instagram. He's big in merch. He does 5 to 10k a month every single month, and he said that merch is being closed down, and he was asking me whether KDP has been closed down. So I wanted to answer this question for myself, and I thought that I would show this to you too. So you can see here, this is the update that Amazon sent to the merch players. So to help prioritize delivery of high priority items, we are temporarily closing our US print centers. As a result, merch products on Amazon.com will become temporarily unavailable starting today. Merch products on Amazon.co.uk and DE are still remaining for sale, but product creation and editing are paused. Royalties will continue to be paid on schedule. If you're advertising merch products, please visit Amazon Advertising to update your campaigns, aka turn them off. Thank you for your patience and being part of the community. We'll update the dashboard as new evidence becomes available. So as you can see, merch is shut down, and if we go across some of these forums, we can see more proof of that here. So this is merch by Amazon. This is not KDP, but you do have to worry that Amazon might close down KDP temporarily as well and just stop selling independently published books. It's kind of hard to say, because during these times and during recessions and during these quarantine times, Amazon is selling an increased amount of books because people have nothing to do, so they're reading, they're buying activity books. So it is questionable whether they would actually close KDP down. But as you can see here on these Reddit forums, you can see here, merch is officially dead. US print centers closed until further notice. You can see more of it here. What are you guys going to be doing for the next few months? There goes the BSR. You live by the merch, you die by the merch. You can see merch is just finished for now. So if we go into KDP, we can see there's been no updates for the last few days. So I already saw this announcement from KDP on the KDP community section on the day that it went out, saying that we're monitoring the developments of COVID-19 closely. Books are very important to us and our customers, and we'll continue offering books to customers in all formats, which is good. We've seen increased demand, as I've just said, but the books are not being prioritized. And I actually tried to order some books myself yesterday. They were going to take over a month to be delivered to me, which is absolutely incredible, and it just shows the crazy times. So as far as we know, books are still being sold, books are still available to buy, and KDP is still active. But as for merch, that is not the case. You can see here, if I go into my reports, these are ebook sales. So this is 2,000 sales in one day from the new high content book that I've released. I ran a promotion on this book, and it did really well. It got to the top 100 in the entire Kindle store of free books. So I was really happy with that. Although being a free book during this promotion, it doesn't actually make me any money. So it's more of a vanity thing or an ego thing than actual profit. So if we go off this one and we click here, you can see that my paperback sales are still coming in. 10 here, 12 here, 16 here, 18 here, 27 here. This was around a $50 day, which was pretty nice. So you can see that royalties are still coming in, and this means the orders are still being dispatched. But how long this lasts is difficult to say. So I hope that you're all doing well amidst this craziness. And if there is any more news, I will of course let you know. But this is just an announcement to say that merch is dead for, I would expect, a month or two, or maybe even longer. It's really hard to say. But as I say, KDP is still going for now. So let's keep praying, and hopefully KDP stays open, and I'll keep you updated with all the news. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to sign up to the free course, sign up to the Royalty Accelerator, and I'll see you next time.